Ni suwing ba sakanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko narim chaksoa, ang Alicia A. Sangma, na si Mana dani Koborrang ko para katinga. Katabi chongrang, Meghalaya adok ekor chikung aako CRPF kem rekat na chamata. Meghalaya TMC Youth Wing kam na mandir anyo, mukang nijad china dabya. Ang singani na naman Nutrition Awareness Campaign ko, Salman Parok matanga. Northeast Adventist University World Physiotherapy Day ko manyanga. Jigumukpa Koborrang, adok sorkari ekor chikung aako, New Shillong chi by Kamgapa Central Reserve Police Force CRPF campus ko rekat na chamataha. Down the pit ya campus rang dengtang dungchak ani biya poni sa kam khainga. Ya AO CRPF cam rekat manjuko de CRPF rang ni kam khaani ko by Kamgapa kemo ngat na tharigen Geo Battalion rang aru uni dol rang wamang ni gata biya poni donge kam khat naman gen. Skutong Minister Koborrang agaparang na yajani chethari ko parakatang ha. Arwa CRPF cam ni bilgenang parang baksa nami chugumu golpo kangaha ani akananga. Tao J CRPF ni dorang jen maulayo donginga chem wamang ni kem ko New Shillong china rekat manjuko de jitat ken. Aro don rekpa kem mo skill training center ko adok ni chadambirang na bachingat ken.
And the CRPF for many years has requested the government of Meghalaya to give a permanent location and a permanent camp to them. And because this permanent location was not given, the CRPF different battalions and companies have been kept in different parts of the city and the state on a temporary basis, but which has extended for a very long time. And hence today we have decided and in fact handed over the allotment of 10 acres of land in the New Shillong Township area next to IIM for the CRPF to have a permanent camp in the state of Meghalaya, which will further facilitate the process of shifting the temporary camps and taking the different CRPF personnel from those temporary camps to the permanent camp that is being the land which is being given to them.
Meghalaya Trinamool Congress Students Union rang okumu chaki MPSC okrae aro mukhang ni gija kham khatna rakhi china gata jingjingata ni khotakang ha panchaira lang pun group TMC Student Union President MPSC porikarango mukhang yani aro khragija khamrang chi kham khatna rakhiani bidingo jingjingata ni khotakang ha unbaksa December chibri hazagni khogr o pharakat kemen khamrang na porika ko siat na mukhang ene agana ha MPSC building ni mukhango wamang ya jingjingata ni ko salgamak okumut donge takang ha NPP ni dilenga pa MDA sorkari ni khamrang na rakyanyo thangka chani ko parakata panchaira lang ni agana ni kita diskutong minister ge hajalgni khamrang police department o khali dongenga ani assembly de paraka chokchim andi ba jingjingata ni ko dakba chhatru chhatirang ni dorang na de gere chachet sandonga ani agana chkha ha chadambirang na kham rakyanyo mukhang ni gija rakhi china ro gumuk nan cholkon china dabyanga ha पोषण माह हजागनी खुरगनी को डिस्ट्रिक्ट नि गतामान्या न्यू यजानी छेथारी को पोषण पंचायत को पोषण माह ना बचिंगात ना यथीमो फंगचा के सलमान फारो MFSC जेन जिगजाक ICDS प्रोजेक्ट नि ओंगा साउथ गारो हिल्स डिस्ट्रिक्ट को ngатanga या फंक्शन को डेप्यूटी कमिश्नर गिडियन खरमाप्लांग एडिशनल DC AVD शिरा DIO अम्पति डॉक्टर नोरिन सांगमा ऑफिशियल रंग अब्सन लाइन डिपार्टमेंट नि एजेंसी रंग दोंफा डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रोग्राम ऑफिसर ICDS सेल टूरा आरो डिस्ट्रिक्ट सोशल वेलफेयर Office Ampati Betasing Arojikjak ICDS Project Baksa Bakra Meyong Atanga Northeast Adventist University Clater Shijanja Hill So Yajani Chethariko World Physiotherapy Sal ko gisikranga Plug Physiotherapist rang ko gisikrani ko takanga jen mandirang ko kusiyong at naruan singirakina mangsung gapong Yamanya no dongpak pashit kermen shila jen Social Welfare ni Minister nga Dr. Andrea Shila Orthopedic Physiotherapist District Early Intervention Center Jowai Dr. Jemima Marak License Aro Development Officer NEAU, Dr. Paul Bagyan, Vice Chancellor NEAU, Srimati Firalen Kharkangor, ya functiono Shri Kermen Shila NEAU ko, rasong chay yasal ko gisikra emanyanga nina, aro dingtang awareness ko, aro skiani ko, singgapa aro uwigapa mandirang ni, jachu nanga nina aga nanga, ya plakan chatru-chatirang, aro mandirang na, namgini nga ane agan tapang ha. Yasal ko gisikra emanyanyo sa kulgruk sa patient rang na, free medical check-up, aro sanna banani ko wulwula o dongengpa mandirang na takanga dingtang susaan yo amgaparang na price rang khot nanga
who will look after us in everything for headache separate for bone separate for muscle for weights for everything. It's so good to see and we are blessed to be to be a part of this generation where we have witnessed and there are somebody who can take care of us. So from my side, I will not be able to name each and every type of doctors we have, but to all the doctors who treated us as a patient, thank you so much to all of you, and with your guidance, and I believe that today I've asked for you, Dr. Shillong, I asked her, how safe is it that acupuncture, they call it that with the pin, I don't know, even that is also difficult to pronounce. I asked how safe is it? She said 90% safe, and this some is not 100% safe. So it's good to see that our doctor tell us the fact and the reality, because there are times that we don't know exactly what to do and when to do. There are times that we got a pressure.
Yan dal na Koborrang ni swing basakan tikon metela.